was a secret joy that David displayed and pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lead, the backbeating, composing. Hallelujah, 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 When your face was strong, but you did rough, you saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty on the moonlight over Julia. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she brought